Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So obviously I've just washed my hair, got out of the shower, and I have a couple of face masks that I want to try out. So it's been a while since I've done a face mask video, especially looking like this, but I went to Primark and picked up 3 little face masks, which are all really cute, and we're going to have a look at these. So this is the Holler and Glow Feline Fine Warming Face Mask, and this was down from £3 to £1, and it's just like that little tub there. Then we've got the Holler and Glow Bare Face Mask, Charcoal Mask, again, £3 down to £1. And then we have the Holler and Glow Fruit Loop Moisturising Fruit Jelly Face Mask, which, again, was £1. Now this one is like the one I'm really excited for because it literally is just a little pot of jelly. It's like a jelly cube in there. And then these two are just, I believe they're one-time use because it's not like you can reseal them again. But we've got 3, so we're going to do some multi-masking, do a couple of mixed reviews on all of them. See, that one they kind of look metallic-y. Kind of. Like, not majorly, but a little bit. And then that one's just a cube. So the charcoal mask has to be left on for 10 to 15 minutes. It can be used once to twice a week. The warming mask has to be used 2 to 3 times a week and only for 5 minutes. And the jelly mask just says massage into skin until it's completely absorbed. So what I'm going to do is I've got them all open here in front of me. We're going to mess around with the jelly mask first since I feel like that's the most fun one. So it's just this little green jelly tub. It actually smells really good and it feels just like jelly. I can't really pick it up, but I guess we're just gonna rub it into my skin. Oh, it feels weird. You know what, I might just put this on my entire face. It smells really good, but I don't know what this would do. Maybe a moisture boost or something like that. Does it say? Yeah, moisturising, there you go. But yeah, it kind of just disappears, the jelly, after a while. You just rub it in. But for £1, all of these, they are I guess bigger than one application because I've done my whole face with this jelly and I still have plenty of it left, but the problem is it's not resealable. You can't reseal it. So I'm going to sit here and wait for this to soak into my skin, then we're going to come back and finish up using the last 2 masks. So we're just going to have a little bit of a painting session. I've got a cheap Primark brush here, it cost me 50p, and I'm just going to start painting this on. It's going on really well actually. So this is the charcoal mask. It says specifically to keep out of hair and eyes. So I'm being very careful around here, as per usual, not to get it stuck in any of my hair. But you know, sometimes it's hard and baby hairs creep in. But I'm not doing my entire face with this. I do want that heating one on as well. But for now, we're just going to whack some of this on. It just smells like a normal charcoal mask. Nothing really special about it. The brush is broke, so that's good. That's probably why they were reduced, but this is a really good brush for putting on face mask. It's like the perfect mask brush. I don't even think this is what it is, but it works really well. See? Around the eyebrow. Around the eyebrow. Kind of giving myself like a beard almost. Then I'm going to fill in the middle with the warming mask. How's it look? Should I go out to this? Should I go to the shop like this? No, I feel like we should continue down into the nose. I do like charcoal masks on my nose. I feel like they get really into the pores. And then we'll just chuck the other one on afterwards. In all the areas and gaps we've got left. I want to get right down in there. It doesn't matter if it's a mess. When people are sitting here like criticising the way that people put face masks on, I honestly don't get why, because the idea is to get it in the areas that you want. Yes, it's not exactly 100% clear, it's not clean cut, but it's going to do the job. So now we're going to go into the warming mask. Ooh, it's a bit harder than the other one. And we're going to put it in all the areas that we have left. And this one's got to be left on for 5 to 10 minutes. It's already hot, I can feel it. I wonder what they put in here to make it like heat up. But you can definitely feel it like pretty instantly. I did do another face warming face mask review recently, but this one's heating, that's my lip. This one's heating up a lot quicker. I've not even got the whole lot on yet. Oh, that's proper hot. I have sensitive skin though, so I do worry sometimes with some of the products that I use in case I'm having like an instant bad reaction, and I just won't know until it's all too late and I take everything off. Chill out, enjoy my lovely face. And then I'll go wash it off and tell you guys what I really think of these. But it's hot. It is very, very hot. What does it say? So I'm supposed to be getting deeply cleansed and healthy looking skin from this. Let's hope so. Do I look like this? No, I really don't think so. But yeah, I don't know if these face masks are still going to be there when you go to check, because obviously they are reducing them down, so I don't know if they're all going to be gone by the time you get there. Hopefully not, because I do like the jelly mask. I don't know what scent it is, but it smells so good. Hold on. It says citrus, fruit water. What's giving it that good smell? There's lots of fruit extracts and stuff in here. But it is proper jelly. You probably shouldn't play around with it, to be honest, but it's very fun. It smells great. But yeah, I've probably got about 2 minutes and then I've got to take this off. You can see where it's going dry now. There's some wet bits around here from where I've just been brushing this about. But yeah, charcoal bit's almost dry. Then we'll go wash it off, dry my hair, come back and tell you what I think. Right, so I'm back. My hair is dried and very puffy. I don't know if you're going to be able to see, but there's kind of like stains on my face from the warming face mask. I don't know what happened, but over this cheek here, there's just like an orange stain. And then the same on this cheek here. I mean, it's not too bad, but if I was going out like straight after, I would not be too impressed. As far as the skin goes though, my skin feels really soft, very bouncy, very smooth. But yeah, there's like little bits of orange brown. Not very nice. I also got this from Primark when I went, loads of reduced stuff basically. And it's the PS Instagirl Intense Liquid Lipstick, full colour in, is there a colour? Selfie. So this was down from £2 to £1. So to finish off this little review slash Primark haul, I'm going to show you this. So the brush itself looks blue and kind of mouldy in this light. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but it just doesn't look right. And then this is the colour. How light is that? It's not a very easy applicator either because it's not doe foot or anything. It's literally just one side and then the other. But I don't know. I like the colour. It's growing on me. For £1, I can't really complain too much. It is Primark. But yeah, it definitely is going to like smudge off very, very quickly. Look. The whole thing's pretty much come off my bottom lip. But yeah, I think it's always worth to definitely check out the bargain section of Primark. I got myself a brush, a lipstick, and 3 face masks, all reduced down. As I said, I do really like the face masks, despite the warming one leaving me brown. I definitely will stick to my Body Shop warming face mask instead of that one. The jelly mask I did really like. I think it's just really fun. It's obviously just more gimmicky than anything, but you just rub it in. And it feels really good. It's really cooling. I'm just going to pop it on after these ones as well. So I've used this twice now. But I don't know. I like it. I really like it. As someone who's got dry and sensitive skin, it's the moisturising masks and stuff that I go for, really. But yeah, I'm just going to leave this on for the rest of the day. I'm not even going to wash it off. Hopefully it's going to leave my skin nice and moisturised throughout the day. Hopefully you did enjoy this video. I am trying to get back into doing a couple a week. If not, it's always just going to be one a week. Obviously I am pushing my Twitch channel a little bit more than YouTube at the moment, but there's so many more exciting things to come as soon as I move out of here, which to be honest is going to be by the end of the year. So I've got 7 months really to get sorted, to get out of my mum's place and into my own place, and when that happens things are going to get like a million times better, but you just got to bear with me until then. But yeah, if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and make sure that you're subscribed, because then you'll see the next one that comes out, I guess. I don't know if it's going to be a face mask video, although it might be, because I did say I was going to try out them gold face masks from Poundland. But if you don't want to see a face mask video, let me know what you want to see and I'll try to bring it your way. But until then, I'll see you later. Bye!